Jail. Today, we will discuss about essential amino acid. First, histidine plays a role in the production of histamine, a neurotransmitter involved in immune responses, digestion, sleep, and sexual function. Isoleucine, essential for muscle growth in liver hemoglobin synthesis and regulating blood glucose and energy levels. Leucine is essential for muscle protein synthesis and repair. Lysine, essential for building muscle, maintaining bone strength, aiding recovery from injury or surgery, and regulating hormones, antibodies, and enzymes. Methionine, essential for the production of cysteine, another amino acid, and for the synthesis of proteins, hormones, and neurotransmitters. Phenylalanine, a precursor to tyrosine, another amino acid, and is involved in the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Threonine, essential for the production of collagen and elastin proteins that provide structure and support to tissues. Tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. Valine, that is essential for muscle growth and repair, as well as for energy production. That's all. Okay.
Hi, I'm Germany Gampal. The use of essential amino acid. Histidine, production of histamine. Histamine is a chemical that plays a role in immune responses, inflammation, and nerve signaling. Isoleucine, muscle growth and repair. Isoleucine is essential for muscles protein synthesis and helps repair muscle tissue after exercise. Leucine, muscles growth and repair. Leucine is the most important amino acid for muscles protein synthesis and helps repair muscle tissue after exercise. Lysine, production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and strength to skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Methionine, production of cysteine. Cysteine is an amino acid that is important for the production of collagen, keratin, and other proteins. Phenylalanine, production of tyrosine. Tyrosine is an amino acid that is a precursor to dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine, which are neurotransmitters that play a role in mood, attention, and energy levels. Tryptophan, production of serotonin. Serotonin is a and repair. Balance is essential for muscle protein synthesis and helps repair muscle tissue after exercise. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today we are discussing about the non-essential amino acids. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Magdan Srinahan. Non-essential amino acid, alanine. Function of alanine is a key player in the glucose metabolism. Use: alanine is important for muscles, tissues, health, and can be used as an energy exercise. Glycine. Function of glycine is the simplest amino acid which is small size, making it crucial for collagen synthesis. Use: glycine is important for wound and healing, joint health, and detoxification. Asparagine. Function: asparagine is involved in the synthesis of ammonia, which is used in the various metabolic process. Use: asparagine is used in supplement for various health conditions, including fatigue, depression, and anxiety. Proline. Function: proline is a key component of collagen, elastin, and other structural proteins. Use: proline is important for joint health, skin elasticity, and wound healing. Aspartic acid. Function: aspartic acid is involved in the Krebs cycles, a certain metabolic pathway that produce energy. Use: aspartic acid is used supplement for energy production, mental clarity, and athletic performance. That's all.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Laisa Abba. This is the combination of non-essential amino acid, serine. Function of serine is involved in the synthesis of several important molecules, including phospholipids, which form cell membranes, phospholipids involved in cell signaling, impurine nucleotides, building blocks of RNA. Use of serine. Serine is important for immune function, nerve cell health, and the formation of myelin and protective sheath around nerve fibers. Cysteine. Function of cysteine is a sulfur-containing amino acid that is powerful antioxidant. It involves the synthesis of glutathione, a key antioxidant, and protects cells from damage. Use of cysteine is used for supplements for detoxification and support skin health. Tyrosine. Function of tyrosine is a precursor to several important neurotransmitters, including dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Use of tyrosine. Tyrosine is used in supplements for improving focus and alertness. Glutamine. Function of glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in the body. It's involved in protein synthesis and production of use of glutamine. Glutamine is used in supplement for muscle growth, exercise, and blood health. Glutamic acid. Function of glutamic acid is a pure use of glutamic acid. Glutamic acid is used in supplements for cognitive function, mental clarity, and energy production. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Jalmani Sharifa Aini. So this is the conclusion of amino acids. Amino acids are essential for life.
they are the building block of protein, which play a vital role in virtually every biological process within the human body. A balanced intake the essential amino acid through a varied diet and crucial for optimal health and well-being.